Good morning student. In this lecture we are going to study defects in crystal. First defect is impurity defect. What is meant by impurity defect? Example, first type of impurity defect is substitution impurity defect. Best example for substitution impurity defect is solid solutions of metal, that is alloys. Different alloys are the examples of substitution impurity defect. First example, brass alloy. It is an alloy of copper and zinc. In this type of defect, foreign atom found at the crystal site in place of host atom. For example, in brass alloy, host atoms are copper atom, but at this position of host atom is occupied by foreign atom, that is zinc atom. These blue colored atoms are host atom, copper atom, and pink color atoms of foreign atoms of zinc in brass alloy. That is regular position of copper. Regular position of copper is occupied by zinc atom. That is, two copper atoms are replaced by zinc atom. Therefore, it modifies property of different alloys. Therefore, it is called as substitution impurity defect. Then, second type of impurity defect, vacancy through oleovalent impurity. Then, what is meant by oleovalent? Impurity is added during crystallization of different oxidation state of first crystal. That is, here vacancy through oleovalent impurity. Example of this, NaCl crystal. During crystallization of NaCl, small amount of strontium chloride is added. That's why that strontium chloride replaced two sodium atom. First sodium atom, position of first sodium atom is occupied by strontium plus 2 ions, and another vacancy of Na plus ions is as it is. It is vacancy of Na plus ion created in order to maintain electrical neutrality of crystal. Crystal is electrically neutral. Number of positive charges and number of negative charges are equal. In this defect, vacancy are created by the addition of small amount of oleovalent ion of the different oxidation state. Here sodium ion having +1 oxidation state, then impurity is added strontium chloride which having different oxidation state of sodium atom +1 oxidation state and strontium atom +2 oxidation state. Therefore, every strontium +2 ion replaces 2 Na plus ion. First one is place of strontium atom. Here previously sodium ion is present. That position of Na plus ion is replaced by strontium +2 ion, and in order to maintain electrical neutrality of crystal, one vacancy is created of Na plus ions. Therefore, our crystal is electrically neutral. Then third type of impurity defect is interstitial impurity defect. Here also example of solid solutions of metal, that is alloy. Best example of interstitial impurity defect is stainless steel alloy. It is an alloy of iron. Here in this defect, impurity occupy interstitial position in the host crystal or crystal structure. Here in this diagram, red colored atoms for iron atom and this blue colored carbon atom which occupy interstitial position. Therefore, in this defect, impurity added, impurity is occupy interstitial position. Then next, these are the three impurity defect. First one is substitution impurity defect, second one is vacancy through oleovalent impurity, and third one is interstitial impurity defect. These defects are, interstitial impurity defect is introduced in the alloy of iron to modify properties of iron due to addition of this carbon atom, or carbon atom occupy interstitial position. Due to this, property of iron atom modify, and that alloy of iron, that is stainless steel, which is resistant to corrosion. Therefore, this property is modified due to creation of interstitial impurity defect. Then next type of defect is non-stoichiometric defect. This defect, substitution impurity defect or stoichiometric defect, that means chemical formula of compound is unchanged, that is stoichiometric defect. Then next point is non-stoichiometric defect. It is arises when ratio of number of atoms or number of cations or number of anions becomes different from original chemical formula. In short, stoichiometry of the chemical compound undergoes change, somewhat change. Therefore, it is important to note that in a non-stoichiometric defect, that is change in stoichiometry of chemical compound, crystal structure does not changes. This is very important point in a non-stoichiometric defect. Here chemical formula of compound is changed, but crystal structure does not changes. First is metal deficiency defect. First is metal deficiency defect. In this defect, some original cation of the crystal is replaced by same crystal but having different oxidation state. That is, in compound, for example in nickel oxide, Na+2 ion, that is nickel plus 2 ions, are replaced by nickel plus 3 ions. That is, this metal deficiency defect is occurs only in that compound, or that compound in which cation shows variable oxidation state. This is the important condition for metal deficiency defect. Nickel shows variable oxidation state, that is nickel plus 2 and nickel plus 3. In such a compound, metal deficiency defect is arises. In the compound of nickel oxide, nickel plus 2 ions is replaced by nickel plus 2 ion is replaced by nickel plus 3 ion. Then deficiency of 2 positive charges. Here nickel plus 3 and nickel plus 3, it is at the position of nickel plus 2. Therefore positive charge is increased by 2 unit for this 1 unit and for this 1 unit. Therefore positive charge is increased by 2 unit, which is neutralized by, or crystal is electrically neutral. Therefore this plus 2 positive charge is neutralized by missing of or vacancy of another nickel plus 2 ion. Therefore here this is the vacancy by third nickel plus 2 ion. Therefore crystal is electrical neutrality of the crystal is maintained by this vacancy of nickel plus 2 ions. But these are the non-stoichiometric defect. Therefore chemical formula undergoes change. Nickel oxide, original formula for nickel oxide is 1 atom of nickel and 1 atom of oxygen, but due to this metal deficiency defect, this formula undergoes change. Nickel atoms are decreases from 1 to 0.97, nickel 0.97 and oxygen is as it is, because here nickel plus 2 ions are replaced by nickel plus 3 ion. Therefore chemical formula of nickel oxide undergoes change. These are the non-stoichiometric defect in which chemical formula of the compound undergoes change. Then next is metal excess defect. This defect we will study in next lecture.